back into my channel. It's your girl Nizzy Mac, and I'm back on the track. Hey, thanks for dropping by, y'all. So yes, we got a quick slay, y'all. This hair took me literally 5 minutes to throw on. Who don't love a quick slay? Please excuse my voice, I am losing it. I've been doing a whole bunch of talking today trying to get this content out, so bear with me, y'all. And if you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. Today's unit actually came from Unice Hair. They were kind enough to send me over a unit to review for y'all, and I instantly jumped at this unit because this, we already know about the headband wigs, we already know, but do y'all know about the headband wigs with the bangs, with the Babyyyy, girl? Okay, this is something new. I know people were probably getting tired of seeing the headband wigs and everything like that, so this is definitely the switcheroo, girl. So I'm gonna show y'all how easy it was to install this unit. The little tutorial is gonna be like super short, because literally I installed this in like 5 minutes. I can't even believe it. Wow. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned so y'all can see how I put this unit on and everything like that, and then we'll come back and chit chat about this unit. So make sure y'all stay tuned. So we back, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I said, it was super short. Put it on, fluff her out, put the headband on, boom, here we is. So this unit was sent to me by Unice Hair, and this is a 14-inch headband wig, you guys, with a removable bang. So if you guys don't like this bang, or if you want to have the option to remove it, girl, you can do that. The bangs are literally velcroed, and you can unsnap it or snap it depending on what kind of vibe you want to get. I personally am living for this because it's just real cute. So I will note that the bang is very long, so I did have to cut it, and then on top of that I did kind of push it back a little bit, just so it's not like, you know, I wanted my face to be showing, you know what I'm saying. And and I did fluff the bang out a little bit. Yeah, so this unit, you guys, I didn't do anything to this. This is like straight out of the box unit. I didn't even put no water or anything to her. This is just how she comes in the natural curl pattern. I have her currently in an updo, but she is true to size. The hair is so soft, you guys, and I don't know if I noted before that this is human hair, So this is bomb, you guys. Like, the versatility on this unit is to die for. This is super beginner friendly. You get 2 styles in one wig, and you can do both of them in under 5 to 10 minutes. Like, jump on this, you guys. Make sure y'all take advantage of this, because I'm like loving this one. They also did send me a whole bunch of stuff. I've worked with Unice before, and I really love their hair quality. It's a yes for me every time. Okay, so they did send me a whole bunch of headbands. So I chose this one that's pretty cute to go with my denim outfit or whatever. They sent me maybe 10. Then they sent me wig cap. They sent me lashes. They sent me a satin scarf, edge scarf. Like, girl, they will hook you up with the gifts, okay? Like, yeah. But so if you guys are tired of the frontals, or you're tired of the regular headband wigs, this is definitely something that I recommend, because, girl, yes. So let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Are y'all feeling this one? Let me know down in the comments what y'all think. As always, thanks for watching.